Hey everyone, this is Dawn from Creative Appliques. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here and thank you for joining me today. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and click the bell to be notified when I upload new content. Today we're going to do an unboxing. I received some fabrics from All Stitched Up by Angela, and she has some gorgeous fabrics. I got some Christmas stuff, so if you're interested to see what goodies I got, stay tuned. Okay, so let's get into this package and see the gorgeous fabrics that Angela sent. I just love the way they package their stuff. They put it in tissue paper and it's all wrapped up with ribbon. So we've got two bundles here, and let me show you what we got. So the thing that I love about the fabrics that she has is they are all really nice, high quality fabrics. And this was a bundle that they put together. I love using it for applique, but I also am excited to use it for masks too. So this one says silver and gold, peace on earth, oh come let us adore him, let all is calm, lot of sugar plums, so lots of holiday Christmas sayings, and peace dove. And then I just love these little triangles here, different shades of green. This is super cute with the gray and the dots, flowers, very Amish looking. Candy cane stripes, definitely could use that. Some holly berries, some green and white stripes. And then isn't this just gorgeous? Look at this floral. This is just beautiful. So, so pretty. This was a whole fat quarter bundle that I got. So that's one. And now let's look through the other one here. She always gives you a card, and her cards are so cute because on the back it's got the quilt back yardage, so there's no thinking. You have all the sizes that are on here with the yardage that you need, and I think that's just such a nice sweet touch that she has. So we've got another one with the dots. The last one was the gray dot with dots, and this one is green. Got some gray flowers. Let's see what the other one. Nope. So the other fat quarter bundle had the white background with the gray flowers. This has a gray background with the white. This one has gray stripes. You saw in the last one we had the green and red. Another dot with a white background. Those gorgeous florals in the red. The holly berries. The cross-looking pattern in the green, those cute diamonds or triangle kind of things, another beautiful gray, the peace doves, the sayings again in the white, and then the beautiful florals. So I am really excited about this entire set of fabrics. These are going to be great for holiday appliques and holiday masks and pillows and so many beautiful things. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so excited about this bundle. It is just gorgeous. All of the fabrics, super high quality, just beautiful. They're Moda fabrics. Moda Fabrics is, and it's 100% cotton quilting fabric, just beautiful. So there's the one bundle, and now I'll show you the other bundle that we have. Gorgeous flowers and stripes and dots and sayings, and well, I am excited for Christmas now with these gorgeous, gorgeous fabrics. So there you go. And these are available from All Stitched Up by Angela. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up so I know that you're enjoying my content and I will make more. Have a great day and make your life creative.